Hello, everyone. So this is my Frankenstein board that I'm charging for the first time. I tested outside. It's charging, and it's a dancing deck with inboard wheels, and then Bornamics trucks, and adjustable base plate. And I get the adjustable base plates because you can move those motors up and down. So those are 63, 84, 140 kV. The battery is a 16S 8P 21700. You guys seen it? I got a tail light that I'm gonna show you guys what's up. I have a horn that I'm gonna show you guys, and then I also have a headlight underneath the nose of it. So I'm gonna give this a couple hour charge, probably like 10 hours, because it's a 2-hour it's a 2 amp charger. Yeah, so I don't know if this is even gonna charge it correctly because the charger says 70 volts, but my BMS says 67.2 volts. So I'm hoping the BMS will turn off. Hoping. Should. So basically that's it, you know what I mean? I put these little pins. When I put them in, I didn't know I was supposed to dig a little bit and then put them in. But I'm using these little bolts to hold them in, 4 of them each side. This is a fiberglass shell, and then wrapped with carbon fiber. It's not Kevlar. It's too much, actually. I'm gonna tape the wires up so they don't interfere with anything. Yeah. So yeah, that's about it, fellas. Peace out.